Happy Friday, folks. It is your good girl, Nicolasa, and today I just wanted to quickly share my Gillio with you guys that I got from Buy Sell Trade, BST. Thank you, Jennifer, so much for sending this to me, and she cut me a deal, so you are an angel in disguise. I do have my, I do have my B6 Nisha Fernando Designs planner here, journey planner. I was not using this for a everyday planner for this year. I was using this for like wellness. So it's not all put together and all that good stuff because I just was using it for that. But when I saw this on Buy Sell Trade, I was like, ooh, I could use my journey planner inside. I won't be doing that right here on camera simply because I don't feel the best, like I just said, and I got back to work this week, and so I'm exhausted, back to teaching. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up just to share it with you guys. You see the box, which you know is different from the regular Gillio box. You also know that I'm really not into Gillio as much as I am into Vanderspec, but I will tell you that Toscana leather has got my attention. So it comes in this different box. It is a different, like, lighter color brown box, and it's got a little emblem or pendant, whatever we want to call it, probably right there. And then the dust bag is lighter than the regular Gillio dust bag. Please ignore the nails. As I get inside, look at what she got. Look at what she got. She's got a B6 Toscana leather Appunto. OMG. Now, Jennifer did say that the little natural markings that are on here, because as you know, this is being referred to as the undyed, meaning the undyed was undyed again. It reminds me of Vanderspec's Janet Leather Undyed. However, I'm going to be completely honest, this is softer. I have had Janet Leather several times in the undyed. This is softer. This is, I don't want to say lighter because it's not. But oh my gosh, does she smell amazing, and does she look amazing? I don't care about that. We do know that over time, this is going to get plenty of beautiful markings, so I'm really not too concerned. You do have a lot of texture on that clasp right there. Inside, Jennifer, thank you so much. She did include the pen. I do have one of these pens already in the gold and silver, but what I like about that is I'm a gold girl, and the fact that Gillio uses silver buttons, you know, that kind of blends the gold and silver. Comes with the little certificate of authenticity, which is just Gillio's card stating, you know, that it's, I don't know, Gillio's card. And then you do have like I said, the Appunto is a B6. I am not in a B6, guys. I literally just bought this because I wanted to try the color and try the leather. That's what I really wanted, because I really want this in a pocket Excel. In the meantime, though, don't ever get it twisted. I'm gonna use this and I'm going to love it. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys that once I set it up and get it all pretty, I will come back and show you more. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a rest in hopes that I feel better and I don't like totally waste my first weekend being under the weather or being whatever, because then I will not be productive, and I got a lot of stuff to do in the next couple of weeks with school starting. All right, you guys, please like and subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see me do. Jennifer, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.